Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to color grade your video with the funky vibes on CapCut. So here you need to add your clips and then just go to filter, find the style category, then select this cyber light filter, adjust it to 45. Okay, click on the check icon and go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 15, the same with the exposure. Now click on the sharpen and increase it to 30. Now click on the graphs and on the green color use this curve. Okay, go back and now for the highlight, shadow and temperature, increase it to 25. Okay, lastly click on the hue and increase it to 50, and then you are done. So this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.